In this tutorial, we will understand what is switch case in Python. Switch case statements are very powerful and it actually allows you to control the flow of the program based on the value of the variable in the expression. So how to use this switch case? I'm going to take two examples for that. So see here, the switch case has been written in a separate format like this. So this is basically you can see this is basically dictionary itself. So there is a key, there is a value. Okay, there is a key and there is a value. Great. Now I'm creating one function called as the day of the week, and inside that I'm going to pass only one variable. Okay, and I'm going to return if the value of the selection is not between 1 to 7. I'm going to return invalid day. Okay. So this function is created, and whenever the value has been passed, it is basically checked between this, and based on that, the value will be returned. So either the invalid day will be returned or the selection of the key based on that value will be returned. So the function is created. Now I'm just passing. Let me clear the output. I'm just passing the 5 inside this. So 5 will be passed, and now we will check. Okay, 5 is a Friday, and we can check out. Yes, Friday. 2 is basically Tuesday, and the 10 will be invalid day. Okay, not possible. I can create a calculator using switch case. Very simple. You can see here, I have created a function which have basically n1 and n2 and an operator. So operator may be plus, minus, multiply, divide, whatever operator you want to keep. I put 4 options here. If the operator is plus, then the addition will going to happen. If the operator is basically minus, then the subtraction will going to happen, and so on. So let's try and run this. So I'm going to pass plus minus 10 two variable names. You can see n1 and 2 and plus the addition of that. Subtraction, multiplication and the division. Very interesting way you can use a switch case to control your program. Very powerful method to actually give some value and get some returns. You can write any sort of program using that.